Assalamu alaikum, dear student. I hope you must be well and happy and you have enjoyed much more about my lecture. Now I start my journey, now I start my lecture, now I start my teaching. And recently in my first lecture I have been told you about what I will teach you. Now I start to teach you as I have been told you. So one thing I mentioned myself because I always speak in English. And whenever I speak with my student, I speak in a simple language. I use very simple method, very simple conversation that you get well. So this is my phenomenon that before the student is seated before me, if he's getting me or not, he's understanding me or not. In this way, I speak in simple language because this is the base use. The language means to communication. Communication means to conversation. The person who must understand what you say. Now I start from the novel, The Consequence and the Progress. This is my lecture number 2. Consequence, the progress, 2-1-act play. Why we call this is a 2-1-act play? Because two short stories are combined in one play. Two short stories are combined in 1-act play. So we call it 2-1-act play. Number 1, The Count's Revenge. This is also 1-act play. My dear student, this is a base MCQs. Always this MCQs come in your examination and they put the question, The Count's Revenge is a dash act play. Dash act play 1, 2, 3 or 4. You always take this is 1-act play. Clear? So progress, when I teach progress, I will tell about progress and their characters. Today just give you the introduction of why we say 2-1-act play, number 1. So the first way is written by J.H. Walsh. This is a 19th century. I am telling you 19th century. This is very famous thing. You know what happened in 19th century? It was a World War I. World War I. Start from 1914 to 1918. World War I. World War I. You know, this is 19th century, my dear students. And Count's Revenge is a melodrama. Melodrama, you know, melodrama is a masterpiece. It basically depends on short stories. Melodrama is a kind of tragic drama. You know, tragic drama. Tragic means there should be sad, sorrowness, feelings, emotions, sentiment, deceive, love, romance, all things come in one melodrama. We say a tragic drama. Tragic drama is such a big drama like a Hamlet of Shakespeare. You know, Hamlet by Shakespeare drama. This is a tragic drama. Long series, long event, long story. But when you see 1-act play, the name is The Count's Revenge, the writer J.H. Walsh, this is also a melodrama. It's a short story drama, but this also depends on love, emotion, sentiment, thriller, action, murder, deceit, sincerity, cooperation, sympathy, all things come in melodrama. So this is Count's Revenge is a melodrama and we call it 1-act play, my dear student. I hope you must understand. Now this drama depends on the Count of Monte Cristo. This is the hero, this is the character, this is the hero of the novel The Count's Revenge. This is the hero, the Count of Monte Cristo. And this is the character which is taken from a famous novel of the 19th century, the French writer Alexandre Dumas. This character is taken from this accident. This character, the Count of Monte Cristo, was taken from the French writer in the 19th century, Alexandre Dumas. Depends on melodrama, based on the character of Monte Cristo. Now, I tell you the Browning version, Separate Tables. You know, Robert Browning, such a greatest writer. You know, I love Robert Browning. He's a religious writer, but his whole poetry depends on one monologue. You know, mono one, log means character. Robert Browning's poetry depends on monologue, one character. If he's a religious poet, Robert Browning, my dear student, religious poet, he always focus the relation with the God. Relation with the God. When say, fail I alone, words and deed, why all men strive and who succeed? Fail I alone in words and deed, why all men strive and who succeed? This is Robert Browning, the religious poet. He always focus on man's luck comes with the God. So he has given us separate tables. My dear student, what I'm saying, separate table is combine two stories. Combine two stories telling two different stories. Combine two stories telling two different stories. They are in one copy with separate tables. Combined version. He said two, one act play. 2, 1 act play. 1, the council events. Number 1, the progress. These are called 1 act play. But they both are combined. One say 2, 1 act play. As I told you about the Browning. Separate tables. These are combined version, combined stories, but they give a different meaning, different stories, different plot, different emotion, different sentiment, and different sympathies and help and something you can say catharsis, purgation, emotions, love, deceive all things. And this is why I told you the Cause Revenge. This is the one act play drama, a melodrama. The character is the Count of Monte Cristo. This is a character which is taken from the novel French writer Alexandre Dumas. My dear student, I hope you must understand. So the Count of Revenge depends on melodrama. The character, the Count of Monte Cristo. The Monte Cristo was taken from Alexandre Dumas, such a famous French writer. You know. So this was the simple story, short definition, theme of the Count's Revenge. In my third lecture, I will teach you the character of this short story, this novel, this drama. So I hope, my dear student, you have enjoyed well what I have told you. So inshallah, in the coming time, you must enjoy what I will focus you, what I will use you, what I tell you. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.